Hi, welcome to Accounting 032. My name is Alyssa Wong. This is my email address. You can contact me through the email. This course has 8 weeks classes, and it has no textbook required. All you need to do is read my PowerPoint slide or the ebook that was created by Linda Sun. Let's talk about the class homework. As I said, it is 8 classes. I have quizzes, 7 quizzes. I'm going to drop 1 quiz, so it's 6 quiz at 30 points each, 180. And I have assignment. Each class, I have assignment for you, 1 matching for the assignment, 1 for the Excel spreadsheet homework, and it's due at the end of the class. On the matching, you have 6 matching because the class, even though it's 8 classes, I have 6 modules in there. And the 7 and 8 is for you to do, 7 and 8 module is for you to do all the homework. And assignment also at the end of the chapter, 6 assignments, 30 points each. Weekly discussion, I also have weekly discussion on each module. At the end of each module, I have discussion. And written project you need to do at the end of the class, at the end of this course. Continue payroll project, QuickBook automatic payroll project too. Let's talk about the actual classes. This is accounting payroll 032. I have course information, module 1 through module 8. As I said, it's class 1 on each module, and through class 6, 7, and 8 is for you to do all the Excel continue project and the QuickBook project. Let's go to module 2. It's still blinking. You can go to the module on the home page or the module here, okay? And the syllabus is in here. I talked about syllabus already. This is module 2, and you can click on this one here, video and PowerPoint slides. I already click on it. So on the PowerPoint slide, chapter 2. On this very first slide, I have the terms in here. The terms is going to help you do the matching. Remember, on each module, except module 1, they don't have terms. On each module, starting module 2, chapter 2, I have the very first slide talking about terms. Terms is going to help you doing the matching. So on the continue payroll project starts on module 2, and it's going to be due at the end of the October, on October 8th. It's due on October 8th, consists of 70 points. So continue payroll project is an Excel spreadsheet project. It's going to start on week 2, module 2, and it's due on October 8th, worth 70 points. Written project is another project you need to do. It's worth 20 points. And then at the end of the module 8, at the end of week 8, I have the QuickBook automated payroll project that is due on week 8 too, and it's worth 80 points. And the final quiz, chapter 2 through chapter 6, is also due on October 10, and worth 30 points. Thank you for watching.